Hey everyone! Today, I'm showing you how to cancel your Shein Club membership. First, go to Shein.com and log into your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Contact Us under the Support section. Click on Customer Service to access the support page. Type Cancel Shein Club membership in the search box and press Enter. If no direct solution appears, click Contact Agent, then click Submit your ticket. In the form, select My Account Issues as the question type. In the message box, clearly state that you want to cancel your Shein Club membership. Submit the ticket and wait for a response from Shein support. Note, you cannot cancel the Shein Club through your account setting. It must be done through customer service. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Shein Club membership. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.